We're in Newport Tower in Jersey City overlooking the beautiful Hudson River.
We worked closely with MetroWall for the office front installation, and this is a quite sizable project that expands the entire perimeter of the whole floors. I was amazed with their team. We as a design builder, we encounter so many lead time related issues.
They could be challenging to procure what we need to build a job.
Even with the size and the time that we're working in, we are able to work as a team and be able to execute without too much of issues at all.
The biggest challenge, especially for me, is when we publish a schedule, there are usually hiccups or things that come, whether it's lead times or job sequencing, stuff along those lines that throw the schedule off, and you have to pivot, be agile, make adjustments. Here the sequencing was excellent. I mean, everything kind of flowed, so it went really well. Sometimes with subcontractors, it's a little daunting to have like an open field of communication. Response time is somewhat, delayed, or there's a lag. As a CMGC, we really have to push the subs to kind of get on board with where we're at with the schedule. With MetroWall, there was none of that, and they were diligent, responsive, and they executed the plan.
So we are very pleased with how this whole project, from the planning stage to the execution stage, that it all came about. In project, unfortunately, it's not only one component, right? You have to think about the schedule, you have to think about the cost, you have to think about aesthetic. It's a balance. So in that sense, I think MetroWall places really well in the market.
In this business, it all comes down to communication and execution, and they carried out both of those particular tasks exceptionally well. The biggest thing I look for subcontractors is their responsiveness, their communication. If I reach out to their project manager, that I'm going to be able to get a hold of them. If I ask or have a specific request, hey, we need more manpower on site, we're kind of, falling behind schedule a little bit, there was no friction with MetroWall. Everything we needed from them, they delivered on.
MetroWall has been very consistent, what they had promised and what they have delivered. And obviously, no project is perfect. Every project have issues or things that we need to resolve. What makes the difference is that whether people are willing to help you and assist you. And with MetroWall, I know that they stand by what they have promised in the beginning.
MetroWall was absolutely phenomenal. I had a great experience with them from the initial stages, as far as submittal shop drawings, being engaged in our subcontractor meetings. They were always available, always diligent with any ask that we had them, and their work has been spectacular here.